Hello friends, welcome again. This is SK Advisory Private Limited. In this free video course, we are going to show you the basic of chart patterns for stocks, forex fluctuations, cryptocurrencies, and to apply for charts. These patterns are universal. They are applicable to all markets and for all time frames. In this course, we are going to learn on how to identify chart patterns, classification between reversal, continuation, and neutral classification, and also the classification between bullish and bearish patterns. And we are also going to learn the logic between each pattern and different ways to trade the chart patterns. Last, we are going to make some conclusion about the use of chart patterns and advantages and disadvantages of chart patterns of the trading techniques. This course is to show you the reality of using these patterns, something that demonstrating indicators, center purpose, and more. Chart pattern classification works a lot like candlestick pattern classification. There are two types of classification of chart patterns. The chart classification are classified by two types, direction and type. Let's start it with the first classification, that is direction. The direction classified refers to the direction that detail supposed to go after the pattern. Since we are talking about the chart pattern, there are only two directions, neither it can go up or it can go down. The chart pattern implies the price. To go after the pattern, we classify it as the bullish pattern. When the chart pattern implies to go down after the pattern, we classify it is the bearish pattern. We have another type of classification, that is the top of the first one, that is type. There are three types of patterns. One is reversal pattern, one is continuational pattern, and one is neutral pattern. Reversal chart pattern indicates that the price will go oppositely the direction after the pattern is formed. For example, if price is going up and a reversal chart pattern appears, it means that the price will go after the pattern. The opposite is also in the queue of cards. The price going down in the reversal chart pattern appears means that the price will go up after the pattern. In the continuation chart pattern, the indicates the price will resume its current direction after the pattern. For example, if the price is going up in the continuation chart pattern appears in the price will continuously going up after the pattern. If price is going down and a continuation chart pattern appears, it indicates that the price will continue going down after the pattern. Last, we have a neutral chart pattern classification. It means that the chart neither goes up or down depending on the price breaks out the pattern. Chart patterns are classified by combining these two types of classifications together. For example, we talk about the bullish reversal chart pattern. The price is going down, or in reversal the price is going upside. It indicates bullish, which could happen after the pattern. In this it's going up, and in term of reversal means the price will change the direction after the pattern. If price changes the direction after the pattern and it will go up, it necessarily means that it was going down before the pattern. In bearish continuation pattern, the price will be going down after the pattern appears. The price will continue going down. In neutral patterns, it won't care what is going on before the pattern, simply takes a look where the pattern takes break out, since that the direction is probably up. So if you see a neutral pattern, the price breaks up side pattern, it indicates that price will be going upside direction. If price breaks to the downside, it indicates that the price is going down. This classification don't make such sense to you. It will be clear if we walk through the examples. So we will continue the rest all topic in our upcoming sessions. If this information is helping you, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to be notified on every update from SK Advisories. Thank you.